Hi, this is my demonstration for TOS 5.3 Blink Morse code. So I've run the program. Here is the GUI. I will write my name. My name is Tej. So I will write my name and then click on blink. This should make the LED light. Click blink. Here you go. It's blinking in Morse code. That's it. Now you can try again, but we will see if we try more than 12 characters what happens. I'll just try this. It should close the window and tell us that we should write between 1 and 12 characters. So here you go, and here it shows please enter between 1 and 12 characters. Yeah, that's it for me. Thank you.